Welcome to BreitWerks. This was a fun one, the stupid Macans. So they have these fancy louvers that go in front of the radiator for some odd reason. I guess aerodynamics or something. It saves you 0.01 miles per gallon. Anyway, you can see here, holy cow, you have to take the whole front of the car apart. And then these are the louvers. I have them just kind of set up here because I wanted to show you the motor. This is the problem child right here, right? So you have to change out that motor. So in order to get to that motor, you have to remove the front half of the car, which gives you an opportunity to clean out your intercoolers and stuff in front of the condenser and the radiator there. But yeah, those failure rates have been extremely high. And sometimes it throws a check engine light. This vehicle did not throw a check engine light, but you could hear the motor just trying to work and do something, and nothing was happening on the louvers. So especially with the heat in Florida in the summer, we need those things to open up. Otherwise your AC will stop being effective, and then your radiator behind that cooling the car will stop being effective. So yep, if you get a check engine light or you hear that little motor constantly running for, I'd say 45 seconds to a minute after you turn the car off, it's a good chance those louvers aren't working. If you turn your AC on after the car's been running for a while, you should be able to walk around the front of the car, and these guys will be in a horizontal position instead of the closed position that they're in right now. So quick, easy way to check if your louver motor is broken. The motor is cheap. But I would say you got a couple of hours of labor here getting in and out of this thing. So thanks for watching. And we love these Macans, but we also love to hate the engineers who decided that, it's just a cheap little part, no big deal. Yeah, but it takes a couple hours to get to it. So anyway, check us out at BreitWerks.com. And if you like our videos, click that subscribe on YouTube. Thanks for watching.